How to delete Peacock TV account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Peacock TV account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So you don't have to open or go to the Peacock TV app. Instead, you have to go to their website. So open up any browser on your device and then search for Peacock TV. And then go to peacocktv.com. And then here tap on sign in the top right side here, and then enter here your email address and tap on continue. Then enter here your password and tap on sign in. And if it asks you for open with Peacock TV app or your browser, you have to select your browser. Now once you have signed in, you have to tap on your account and then here scroll down and tap on help. Now here tap on the search bar and search for delete account. And then here you have to tap on this first question: how do I delete my Peacock account? And now here scroll down a little bit and you will see here you have to tap on here in the blue. And now here you will see all of your rights. You should go through this if you want. And then here you have to scroll down. And here it says California, Colorado, Connecticut, Utah and Virginia residents with rights under local law may click here. And in California, Colorado and Connecticut, their authorized agents may click here. But if you live outside of US, and here it says if you are based outside the US and would like to exercise any individual right, please fill out this online form. So if you live outside US, you can tap or click here and fill this online form. But if you are in United States and if you live in this states, you can click here, and if you have any agents, you can click here. So I don't have any agents, so I'm gonna click on this link here, and then you will be taken to this page. Now here scroll down and here you have to under state tap here and select your state. And then after selecting your state, here in I am a consumer authorized agent submitting for a consumer. So if you are consumer, tap here. If you are authorized agent, you have to tap here. So I'm a consumer, I'm gonna tap here. And then here I'm making this request, I'm making this to delete my information. So I'm gonna tap here and select delete information. And then here you should go through all of this if you want. And then here in the bottom you have to select applicable brands. So we want to delete our account from the Peacock. So we'll here scroll down and search and select Peacock. Then after selecting, tap on OK, and then write here your first name, last name, email, and again enter here your email to confirm, and then check this box and tap on submit. So I don't want to delete my account, so I'm not gonna tap on submit. But if you want to, you just have to tap on submit and your account should get deleted. And so this is how you can delete your Peacock TV account. Thanks for watching.